Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will presentation about CAO framework for ISA modeling.
My name is Athallah Deiga Azhar.
My name is Muhamad Farhan Aldisyah Putra. First is background. Frameworks in application development are very important because the framework can be used to develop many applications. Usually, those that use framework application are desktop and website-based application, and this is one of the technologies that is developed at this time. Definition CAO framework. The CAO framework defines a set of role types that entities play within the enterprise. Figure 1 groups together the role types class relate to each view in a package. The organizational view consists of the mission, vision, and goal, as well as organization unit roles, the business perspective summaries the business strategy through the business goal, process, and activity roles. And this is CEO role types. In here have 5. First is organization view, 2 is business view, 3 information view, 4 application view, and 5 technology view. In organization view, we have vision, mission, strategy, organizational goal, and organizational unit. In business view, we have business goal, business process, and activity. In information view, we have observable state, resource, and actor. In application view, we have is block and service. In technology view is IT service and IT block. Next is definition of ISA modeling. ISA specification defines an abstract model of the metadata framework. The ISA abstract model has been implemented into format specification, ISA tab, and ISA JSON, both of which have supporting tools and service associated with them. The format specification are also available for additional tooling to take advantage of ISA format content. Next is ISA function. A. Network operation function. In network operation function is infrastructure operation and management, configuration management, risk ID management and education, certification and accreditation. B is computer network defense function. In here have detection and mitigation, remediation, focus vulnerability assessment. C is domain or sector awareness function. In here have status aggregation and reporting, assessment, information validation, and dissemination.
ISA function, the D, threat assessment function, incident and threat discovery, threat characterization and assessment, forensic and malware analysis, mitigation and signature development, indicator and warning development. In E, we have threat operation function, there's ops planning and execution, characterization of available risk and effect, damage and consequence assessment. F, we integrated operational action planning function, course of action development and selection, mitigation planning, imperative and responsive. equity assessment. In G, we have integrate operational action coordination function, action activation and tracking, integrate coordination and reporting, effectiveness assessment, operation and mission level. Next. This is our enterprise architecture. And enterprise architecture, we have business architecture, organizational architecture, and information system architecture. In business architecture, we have goal and process. In organizational architecture, we have research. As information system architecture, we have business service, IS block, information entity, and it block. In the left and in the right is process model current ISA, research ISA, AS, ES, progress defined ISA, and resource ISA to be process implement ISA and resource information system. And define ISA quality, ISA quantities, next to model current ISA, define ISA, and ISA to be evaluation ISA, and the other is accordingly to quality character, and ISA to be and implement ISA information system. Next is we have is our implementation CEO framework for ISA modeling. Next. And our conclusion, this overview demonstrates that currently there is still no mechanism to properly represent integration concept in ISA era, informational application and technological level in order to develop subsequent inspection and simulation of different business and technological scenarios. To some recent upward CEO framework provide a starting point for ISA modeling. The integration concepts are not considered in detail. And our suggestion is from this paper, maybe we can learn a lot and understand how the CEO from framework for ISA modeling works, and can make reader apply the CEO framework for ISA modeling. And this paper provides some suggestions for future development of the CEO framework system. The implementation of strategy directly or indirectly relate to all facets of management. Therefore, is essential to follow a holistic approach when analyzing and evaluating complex issue of implementation. However, search in this area is still limited and offers few practical propositions. Thank you. That's all from our group. Wassalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh. Thank you.